Designed to detect the amount of oxygen in the exhaust system. Constructed from high-quality material. Features double protection layer, aluminum oxide trap layer, PTFE filter and stainless steel housing. Manufactured with precision to meet OE standards. Easy installation. Wiring harness overall length, in, 15.35. Denso Oxygen Sensor is designed to detect the amount of oxygen in the exhaust stream. It is constructed from high-quality stainless steel, porous polytetrafluoroethylene, fluorine rubber, aluminum oxide, high-grade platinum and ceramics. This sensor features double protection layer, aluminum oxide trap layer, porous PTFE filter and stainless steel housing. It is manufactured with precision to meet OE standards. This oxygen sensor can be installed easily and ensures longevity. Top reviews from the United States. Fixed the P0420 trouble code in a my 2004 Toyota Tundra. Perfect fit for the driver's side rear O2 sensor on my 2004 Toyota Tundra. Got rid of the check engine light code P0420 catalytic converter operating below efficiency. The cat probably indeed is operating below efficiency after 140,000 miles, but replacing the O2 sensor got rid of the code and the check engine light has not come back on yet. Denso are the original equipment used by Toyota and this is a good price for it. Make sure you use anti-seize compound on the studs used to bolt this sensor to the exhaust pipe and torque it down good to prevent air leaks. I used a dab of Permatex 81343 anti-seize lubricant for this. Disconnect the car battery for at least 30 minutes before changing this sensor and double-check that the electrical connector is on there firmly. Then when you start the car it will relearn everything with the new sensor in place. Not much else to say except this is the same as the Toyota OEM part for 1/2 the price and it works just as it should, if properly installed.